This is Home Science, and the chapter is Catering and Food Service Management. The objectives of this chapter are to make the learner able to understand the different types of catering and food services, to be acquainted with the scope and the career avenues available, then to understand the need for developing knowledge and skill to become food service professional. Now, what is catering and food service management? This is the service that caters, provides food services are known as catering services. It is regarded as a service that provides pleasant change from home cooked food so that the people enjoy meals or snacks and beverages that are prepared in different pleasant surroundings. It is not a new concept. We had been serving and having such food while traveling or when we are away from home. Otherwise, also when we are out, we have tea, coffee, snacks, beverages at many places. So these are very common. In old times also, when people used to go out on pilgrimage also, traveling also, then also they used to have food in places like dharmshalas, langars. Okay, now that has become an industry. Okay, so industry where the food catering is done at large places, in large areas. So that is very important for our life. Otherwise, also, whenever we are celebrating anything, we prefer to go out. Or even if we are having party at home, we cater. We have that service, food service from outside. So that is supplied. So it has become very important part of our life due to various reasons like migration, urbanization, change in our lifestyle, globalization, tourism, traveling, and the liking and interest of the people. Okay, they want to have some change, the housewives also, the children also, and they want to spend some time outside once in a week or in a month or as and when they feel like. Okay, now we come to know about the basic concepts of this food service. The food service industry that encompasses places that provide food outside the home, okay, from very expensive hotels to less expensive fast food corners also. So wherever we have food outside the house and we pay for that, we sit and have there. That is the part of food service industry. Fast food corners, restaurants, dhabas, hotels, etc. Next term is food service management. So this is an art of providing the food aesthetically and scientifically. Means how and what is to be prepared and served. Okay, but here it is to be served to large number of people, and that too in a satisfactory and cost effective way. Then another term is food service manager. The food service manager is the one who assumes and performs responsibility for the management, administration of a food service unit or department or organization. Then menu compiling. That is, we all know the menu that has a list of the food that will be served, not only food, the beverages, etc. So that is the most important job in catering. It determines the ingredients required, equipments and personnel. Means what in what way will be served by whom. Now we come to the next point, and that is types of catering services. Basically, these are of two types. First, welfare or non commercial catering services, and second, hotels and commercial catering. First one is related to welfare or non commercial food services. As the name suggests, that these services aim at serving the people, and the profit making is not their primary aim. Their main aim is the welfare and to serve the needy people also, and to provide food at very subsidized rates, but without costing, not costing, but without compromising with the quality of the food. Okay, so many persons and organizations who undertake these services aim to ensure that people are well and properly fed. Okay, and the profit making is not their main aim, that is of secondary environment. Okay, like people, they are fed at workplaces, armed forces, in some schools, supplementing feeding programs implemented by the government for sick people, okay, in the hospitals. Then the industries catering, industrial catering for the people, especially their workers, etc. These are the examples of the catering for the welfare, or which is non commercial in nature, and that is provided at very subsidized rate or very minimum rate. All right. Then another is hotels and commercial catering. Hotel and commercial catering, these are established, and they are for all the people, whoever come and serve for that. Okay, the people, they come and have and pay for the food, whatever amount is there, and their main aim is to make profit. Okay, and the welfare or non-commercial catering services are also known as philanthropic services. Okay, for common people and for the needy people or for the workers, and the aim is not to earn more profit. Now, types of food services system. Types of food service system. They are of four types. First, conventional food service system, commissary food service system, then ready prepared food service system, and assembly service system. Now we take the first one, which is conventional food service system. Conventional food service system, which is conventionally followed, carried on, and we are familiar with that. Here, the food is prepared and served at the same place, like in restaurants, in dhabas, right? And in the place which is nearby. And the kitchen is in the premises only, which is the place from where the food will be prepared and served. And it is prepared and served as soon as possible. Here, the hot food or cold food is served, like cafeteria